So I've been testing many wearables from different brands over the last few weeks, but being a full-time Garmin user, I wanted to show you how to sync Garmin wearables and the Garmin Connect app to Strava. Now there's two ways of doing this, and the first one involves the Garmin Connect app. So once you've opened the Garmin Connect app, go into the More tab in the bottom right corner, scroll down and select Settings, and then select Connected Apps. Now here you can see all of the external services that you can link the Garmin Connect app to. Now select Strava and you'll be asked for permission to sync the activities between the two services. Select Agree, and then the app will open a browser where you'll be asked to log into Strava, and then authorize the Garmin Connect app to connect to Strava. Hit authorize and you should see the screen that says you are connected to Strava at the top. If you go back a step within the app, you'll also see Strava has been added to the list of connected apps here. Now, if you wanted to remove the link between Strava and Garmin for whatever reason, all you need to do is go back into connected apps, then select Strava, scroll down and then select disconnect. So that's the first method out of the way, and the second method involves the Strava app if you use Strava regularly with other wearables and devices. To do this, open the Strava app on your phone and then select the U tab in the bottom right corner of the app. Then select the settings icon in the top right corner, scroll up and then select connect an app or device. You'll then see the list of brands that you can connect to Strava. Select Garmin and then hit Connect Garmin. You'll see a browser open up asking you to log into Garmin Connect. Now, once you've logged in, you'll then be asked for permission to share activities and courses between the two services. Select Save and then hit Agree. You'll then see the screen that says your Garmin account has been connected, and if you go back a step into the Strava app, you'll also see that this screen says your Garmin and Strava accounts are connected. So that's how you can connect Garmin wearables and the Garmin Connect app with Strava. Now, don't be shy from subscribing to the channel if you enjoyed that video for more helpful videos and tutorials just like this. And make sure you check these videos out if you're looking for a fitness tracker or a sports watch that tick all the right boxes but don't break the bank. See you in the next one.